Good morning, and today is the Earth Day. Today I'm going to tell you that the Earth is covered in plastic. We shall clean and save our Earth. Too much plastic will make it die. This is the only planet we have to live on. No other planet is perfect for us to live. When we go to the shops, we buy fruits and vegetables. Then they give us plastic bags and then we take it home. And then we throw those plastic bags and make the whole earth dirty. Even if the garbage man takes them, it'll still go in the oceans. And the fish get trapped and they die. So say no to plastic. All your children like me goes to school and they carry their tiffins. You should tell your mom and dad not to give you plastic tiffins. You should only use steel tiffins. So do not use plastic. When someone gives you a gift in the plastic bag, you will say, I will only take that gift if you promise not to use plastic in the future. If you have plastics and no plants, make sure you have plants in your balcony or indoor so you could breathe fresh air. Please promise to keep our Mother Earth healthy and clean. Please show this video to your mother, father,